Hello, does your property need some new rock? Maybe it needs spruced up because it's getting bare in some areas. That's what this video is about. My name is Eli Hall. I'm with AMS Landscaping out of Phoenix, Arizona. And we are offering 5 tons of rock, normally cost $1,000. We're offering 5 tons of matching rock for your landscape at the cost of $7.99. Now this sale is going to go through to the end of January 2022. So contact us today. Just mention this offer, and we will get you that rate. And if you need more rock, we'll match that per ton rate for your home. This is a great time to get it done right before the holidays. Maybe this is a Christmas gift for a family member or friend. But like I said, just reach out to us here at AMS Landscaping at AZLawns.com. Subscribe to our YouTube and Facebook pages at AMS Landscaping. Also check us out at Instagram and Twitter at AZ Lawns. Make it a great day.